So you know what they say about a woman's age, you can tell her age from her hands and her neck. Now let me turn this light off so you can see my neck. There we go. You can see there's some sun damage there and wrinkles. So what to do about it? So the most effective and the fastest way to treat it is with cosmetic interventions. So you could get CO2 lasers to resurface the area, which doesn't require some downtime and can be a little bit painful. You could also get injections, so filler, like a hyaluronic acid-based filler like Juvederm or Restylane. LED masks. This is the Current Body Neck and Deck Perfector. Pop it on for 10 minutes every day. There are also some awesome creams and treatments for the neck area. This is Dermalogica Neck Fit Contour Serum. It's got a little roller ball stimulating the area in upwards motions. This is super indulgent. This is the La Mer Neck and Décolleté Contour Cream. This is one of those products that does give an instant effect. If you use it in the morning when you wake up and notice the lines, it will plump it immediately. SkinCeuticals Tripeptide Neck Repair. Light in an upwards stroking motion. And there you go. I'll put the details below for you.